Hello, how are you? Hope you're doing well. Today I've come to talk about complaining. Complaining is not good for your health, for your life. You will never get anything when you complain. Never. Never at all. Instead of complaining, do action. You know, sometimes like you find someone is having a job and is not comfortable, or is not paid well, or the bosses are harsh, or the workmates are not good on his or her side, and you find those people, they are always complaining. I don't like this job, I want to leave this job, what. Don't always complain. Just do action. If you feel the job is not suit for you, resign, quit, go out, look for another job. There are very many jobs in the world, very many. You can't finish them. What you need is a pen and a paper. Put down, write an application to any company. Express yourself very well. Write a CV, good CV. They will give you a job. Don't always complain. Complaining will never help you at all. It will never. If you always complain, just know you are just feeding your mind with something which will not help you, and you stay complaining year after year. So I urge you to always stop complaining. Do action. This one is not only at the job, even at home. Like for example, you are having like for the case of the parents, you always complain. Why is that my children, they are not doing well at school? I know what's that. Don't always complain. Do action. Go at school. You take time to go at school and you check how they are performing. Some of you just wait for your kids at home. You just wait. Even for some of the parents, they never look at the reports of their kids. Do action. Go at school. Go and find out who the class teacher, his teacher. Ask, make them your friends. Ask, how is my kid doing? How's my daughter doing? You're just home complaining. For the case of men, you always go at home and you complain to your wife. You're complaining against your wife. Oh, this food is not good. You have not put salt. Why do you always complain? Call her, sit down, tell her. Because if you always complain, she will never know that the salt is not enough in the food. Why do you always complain? For the case of ladies, you always complain, my man is coming late from work, my man is never paying attention to me. Why do you always complain? Call her. Call him. Sit. Talk. Have a mature talk instead of complaining. Complaining will never do anything good to you. It will never help you when you complain. Never in your life. You will never get anything when you complain. When you always complain, it will never always take action. You understand? You're there. Why is it I'm poor? I have nothing to eat. Yet other guys are rich. Why do you always complain? Go out and start hustling. Try to ask yourself how they become rich. Make them your friends. Ask them, how can I also become rich? Try to find a way of becoming rich also. It's you surrounding yourself with poverty. You understand? Don't always complain. It's not good for your life. I repeat it 100 times. Don't. Always take action. Find someone who's there. I've completed the university. I have no job for 2 years. Why is it called? Why is it? You're always there. Instead of going to look for jobs, you are just there. You are from church to church. You are always praying. Praying is always good, but do everything at the right time. Don't always spend your time that you are in church. You move from this church to this church, this church to this church. Even you can pray from home. Prayer is from the heart, not from the outlooking. You understand? Go out. Search for jobs instead of complaining. You need a good shirt. Why do you always complain? That guy is always putting on nice clothes. Go out, go and buy them also. Go get money, go and buy those clothes. Why all complaining? This is your life, come on. It's not always good to complain.